1500.
Don't say like that. 15,000 is
15,079. 15,000. 15,080. 15,081. 15,082. 15,000.
Be fast.
15,083. 15,084. 15,085. 15,086.
Next. Here. What is the pattern? Be fast. See, I'll make you to write. This one you write.
No.
This one you write.
No.
Or else say first.
What I should say?
Here.
86,705. 86,705. 86,705. 86,705. Yeah, 18,705. 88,705.
Say properly. Are you telling the digits? 88.
88,705.
705.
705. 89,705. 90,705.
Next. After 89. After 90.
91. 91,705. 93,000.
93. Wrong.
After 92, 93 will only come.
You said 91.
92,705.
Next year backside.
I said no, from backside only.
No, backside. Then backside you said wrong.
85,705. 84,705. 83,705. Said C.
Okay, good. So now in the table, which is the smallest number? Put circle. And for largest number also you need
This is the smallest. This is the smallest. This is the smallest. This is the smallest.
largest also.
This is the largest. This is the largest. This is the largest. This is the largest.
Very good.